And the race on double O from the outside, Hepburn Scarab. On the further outside, rushing up Magic Key. It's now Dr. Choice double O from the outside, Hepburn, Domestead down on the inside, and rushing up Admiral Contender. Moving up is Angedi and Magic Key. Dr. Choice double O. And on the outside, Magic Key and Getty in the middle, Doomstead down on the inside. Last 500, double O, Dr. Choice, Magic Key, and Getty in the middle, Doomstead down on the inside as they race the final corner. Dr. Choice by a long nose, double on the outside, and Getty on the further outside, Magic Key down on the inside, Doomstead. It's now double O from the outside, Dr. Choice, and Doomstead by the and Getty, Magic Key, Admiral Contender. Last 50 meters, double O, number 9. Second, Dr. Choice goes Doomstead and Getty, and took fifth, Admiral Contender, Magic Key for your Super Sais.
Okay, unofficial